I was just sort of wondering, when you deploy, your sales process and your sales systems in a startup, how do you go about it? So obviously, again, in big enterprise world you come from, typically, your marketing automation pushes the leads directly into your CRM, and you have all this integration, and you've probably got sales nav integrated in CRM, and then essentially document creation for proposals and order forms, click buttons and e-sign, and the whole sort of shooting match. What do you do in a startup? Because like you said, you've got to be pragmatic, you've got to be agile.
Great. Yeah, it's really interesting, and it's actually something that we're going through. So in the role of 8 months, as I said, and something we're going through right now. Okay, is actually look at everything we want to do. We want to increase the sales pipeline. We want to increase activity, field events, marketing. We want to grow our team. I mean, one of the aspects of me joining a startup was I've always worked for a sales leader. It was my turn now. I've always wanted to become a sales leader, so I want to grow a team, but you need to earn your stripes. Now, when it comes to tech, you're right. Tech is out there to help us, but when you arrive in a large enterprise company, all the tech's already there, right? You've got a CRM, you've got a marketing automation tool, and more times than not, your teams are already there as well. Because let's pick as an example, I'll pick HubSpot, right? HubSpot make it super easy for a startup to come and adopt their tech, and they'll encourage you to like a 90% discount to get everything, get a package, get the marketing piece, the sort of service desk piece, the sales piece. Great, let's go and spend it. But actually, what's the point in having those tools in place if you don't have the right people, the right mind share, and one of the biggest barriers to sale, the right time, or the sufficient amount of time to actually make those tools work for you, or work properly. And that's by far the biggest lesson learned now, is that we are still using our CRM and Sales Nav. Why? Because that's probably the limit of what we can afford to spend time on based on the size of team that we have. But as we begin to bring on a marketing function, 100% we want to be doing that level of automation. My career, in particular over the last 8 or 9 years, has been very much in that space around creating customer experiences that will generate a significant number of leads through the digital channels, and having all of that experience and lead generation automated through contextualization, through systems integration, etc. We're not there yet. So very much a step-by-step approach, but very much where we want to end up very, very soon.